Hello fam, I trust that wherever you are doing all you can to keep fit and to keep moving. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Carol of Fitness. I decided today's video is to give you some tips on some of the equipment that you can put together to make your home workouts interesting and a bit more challenging. Keep watching to see a few of these equipments and some of the workouts you can use them for. In a future video, I will show you how you can improvise without having to buy. Let's get into it. What I'm holding here are called dumbbells. This is a very versatile piece of equipment. You can make your own dumbbells using cement and tins or buy ready-made ones like the ones I'm showing you here. And if you're buying, you have got two choices. You can go to the fixed weight dumbbells or adjustable ones. For me, personally, I am a fan of the adjustable set because you can only need one bar and then you can change the weights as you progress. Yeah, the ones I'm using here are adjustable stainless dumbbells. So what can you do with a set of dumbbells in the house? One of the exercise, as you can see here, I am performing the dumbbell bicep curls. This is a perfect routine for building up those arm muscles. And then you can drop one and use one to do a tricep extension. If you have been looking to reduce that flabbiness, aka bye-byes, and at the back of your arms, these exercise can help. Another exercise is exercise you can perform with a dumbbell is called a sumo squat, and it is a perfect exercise for those glutes and inner thighs. You can also change the positioning of the dumbbell, as you can see what I'm doing right now, to focus on the quads, and a routine called a goblet squat, which I'm now demonstrating here. Fuchs. I'm feeling this workout, by the way, guys, breaking a little sweat and all that. Here is another dumbbell workout, that is the dumbbell lunges. This is a killer move for legs and stability. By the way, make sure you alternate both sides. Here I'm just demonstrating. Remember that your workouts should be structured through a program. Another exercise is you can do using dumbbells is to challenge, an exercise that can challenge your core. Like I'm doing right now, I'm using this dumbbell to perform a crunch. Nice and slow. Finally, again for the core, you can use the dumbbells to perform this exercise called Russian twists. Yes, it gets to your abdominals, really working, giving you that beautiful, strong front mid section. Yes. Let's go to the second piece of equipment. The second piece of equipment to have is the skipping rope. Yeah, I know, the skipping rope. This is very important and it is affordable. I mean, you can get this anywhere you want, by the way. It is necessary. Again, you can buy this or just make one yourself. What can you use this equipment for at home? For the rope skip, the first and obvious one is skipping. I mean, there are different types of rope skips, target different goals. I will show you this in a different video. Here, what I'm performing here is a basic rope skip, which is great for cardio health, weight loss, and your core. You can also use the rope skip to balance your upper body when performing a shoulder dislocation or back extension. As I'm doing, I hope you can see very well what I'm doing, to a Superman routine, which I am showing you here. You can watch the complete shoulder dislocations on one. There's a video that I did this shoulder dislocation exercise That is my previous video. You can see the link in description. And then another exercise is the dreaded ab roller. Now there are so many types of ab roller. Some people even use a barbell to roll in and out, and this is great for your core again and back muscles. Here I am performing an abdominal rollout for my core strength. I mean, you need to have a strong core. Something you can try. Yes, this here is the resistance band. Now this is the real deal. As the name suggests, it helps to create resistance as if you had weights going on. Here I'm using a 45 kg resistance band to make my quads work more during a squat. You can use any band, by the way. For me, I have this one, the 45 kg one, and that is the one that I'm using. You can get different bands. Some are shorter, others are even adjustable for effective glute and hip workouts. The color often indicate the kgs. Yes. Let's go to another equipment, which is the mat. This is an obvious one. Really, you cannot do your exercise on a floor. A mat is a must. You must have. Now, injuries are not pleasant, and workouts do not have to result into suffering. Don't hurt your elbows like so. Get a mat to shield you from the rough surface and prevent little injuries. There is no limit to what you can do with a mat. Imagine doing a plank hold on a rough floor. Really? No way. Okay, how many seconds can you hold? Tell me on the comment section. And then we have push-up stance. Ladies, you must always work your chest. Yeah, I know what you're thinking. Yes, you must work your chest. It will give you a firm bust. Not to mention the strength to do so much. Stance helps to create an angle to target the upper chest, but can also come in handy to create a negative effect when going down. Yeah, varying the angle hits different parts of the chest, and you can use them for tricep dips too, as you can see what I'm doing. If you don't have these, don't worry. Just get a stool or a chair and get your heart pumping. There are many more pieces of equipment out there, but if you have the ones I've highlighted in this video, you are good to go. Drop me questions or comments and let us build strong, beautiful bodies for healthier, longer lives. Don't forget to subscribe for regular, interesting, realistic content on keeping fit. Thank you so much, guys, for watching this video. To my returning subscribers, thank you so much. I love you and have a blessed day. Bye.